Oh, today is Wednesday, right?
Yes.
Okay, so how was your day?
Today is I'm initial trials. So because today I'm very busy. And yesterday, yes, I didn't sleep.
Why?
I sleep a little time. So
Why?
yeah.
Why?
So yes.
You sleep at night few hours only?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So about 4 hour. Yeah. Slept 4 hour.
Why?
So
Is that
today.
for because of your work or do you have any
Yes,
problem?
because we busy and maybe I think thinking something. Yes.
Oh,
So
stress.
okay,
Oh,
okay.
okay. So are you done eating your dinner?
I had dinner about 1 hour before.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay. So are you ready? Let's
Yes, I'm
start
ready.
our lesson.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, so last time we end page this one, page 8. Okay. I'll send this to your email, but I think you didn't read this because you are busy, but it's okay.
Sorry, I didn't finish it.
Oh,
So
okay.
yes, I will finish it and send you tomorrow. Yeah.
It's okay. It's okay. So, uh, maybe I will give you another homework. So, can we answer this now, or this will serve as your homework? We will continue the next page.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so we will continue the next. But in this text, we have a lot of followed questions here. Match the subheading with paragraph A to E. Okay, so can we read again the text?
Uh, okay, but the slide is smaller.
Okay,
So yeah,
we need we
could
need to.
you yes zoom it?
Okay, this is the last zoom in. Okay, how about this time? Can you read?
Yes.
Okay. So I thought you are done here reading last time, right? Okay, so do you want to read again the entire text? Because the following page is questions about this text. So we need to read again the text so that we can answer the following questions.
Yes, I talked
Okay.
about long hours. I read it.
Okay, so you want to proceed? Okay. Letter D.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Uh, the only way to hide so many so fast were to move everything online. That means we had to build an online jobs application and HR system. I told our managers that this technology would give them high and fly responsibility, which
Response.
they say they want, and complete authority, which they rarely get, and would
Rarely. Okay.
rarely get, uh,
Rarely.
rarely,
Yes.
rarely get, and it would make them 100% accountable for their decisions. Going on, I would touch human resource out of the process.
Okay. Letter
Let
E.
comes the let comes the interviews Every day there is 130 hiring managers who has specially trained, conducted 740 interviews of 30 minutes each.
Mhm.
Applicants were asked a set of behavioral,
Behavior, behavioral.
yeah,
Okay.
behavioral questions that we has developed. Like, tell me about a time when you was at the front desk and the rest were not.
Was late. Mhm.
Well,
Was late. Guest was late.
okay, what less?
Mhm.
What did you do when you couldn't fly a reservation using a PC ambassador in just desktops? The managers evaluate the answers,
Evaluated. Okay.
evaluated,
Yes.
evaluated the answers on the rating sheets, and the scholars were fresh
Course.
into
Mhm.
scores was fresh into the database.
Yes. Okay. Letter F.
Uh,
F.
In 14 months, we had designed, build, and implement the system. This is from how it works to apply a position. You set up appointments when you arrived. An HR staff person wearing a microphone confirm your
Identity.
identity identity and notice staff who greets you by name and assigns you to English
Mhm.
computer terminal.
Okay.
Once you completed the application, the computer would ask you to process to check out as where a staff member would I receive it,
Review it.
review, I review it. In fact, what our people was really doing was assessing your communication skills and your overall uh,
Okay.
the demeanor.
Oh,
Demeanor, yeah. As a point,
we did. Yes.
we did we did we did out about 20% of the applicant.
Okay. So it's all about the application, right? The hiring. Company
Yes,
is hiring some applicants
yeah.
and they do interviews. Okay, so this time let's match the subheading with paragraph A to E. Okay, can you find what is the speed interviewing on this text? Is it A, B, C, D, or F? Speed, speed interviewing.
Interviewing speech.
Speed, yes, very fast interview, kind of interview.
E.
Is it A, B, C, D, E, or F?
I think that's E.
Yes. So
Interviewing
next, yes.
18. Yes, 19. Yeah.
Yes, very this is the kind of interviews that's very
Yeah, very
fast.
fast.
Yes.
Yeah, very
Okay.
crowd. Yes.
Wow. Good. How about click to file? What text here that define click to file?
Click to find
Mm-hmm.
app. I think that's app.
F.
App.
Okay. If yes, if
Yes.
14 months we had design built and implement
Size
this,
and
this is
imply
how it.
system. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So this is the file from the desktop.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Okay. Now next. What text that says checking in and checking out? So we are done E and F. How about letter D? Letter A, B, C. Checking in and checking out. Letter D. The only way to
D.
hire.
Yes. I think just D.
D. The only way to hire so many of us to move and everything online. That means we had to build an online job application and HR system. So I told our manager that this technology would give them hire and fire. Okay, so hire, checking in, and checking out, fire. Responsibility,
Yes.
right?
High
Yes,
and
that.
fries. You possibly.
Okay. How about empower your managers? Empower managers.
C.
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 Okay. If a manager wanted to
Yes.
hire you, you would click a conduct background check. Is this the right one?
Yes.
Okay. Try to find number 5. Making yourself redundant. Do you know redundant?
D then.
Means you are repeating, right? Repeating.
Ah, yes.
Yes.
Repeating. Repeating.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So making yourself repeating or redundant. So is this, we are done with A,
No.
we
No.
are done here. So we are done with
B.
C.
B. B. B.
This started out as an experiment, but in the end, the guinea pig survived. We see, okay. So do you know what is guinea pig survive means? Guinea pig. Do you know this animal? Kind of animal? Guinea pig?
I think that's faster Queenie.
Yes.
Question.
But
Queenie question. Yes.
yes. But guinea pig means here person used for a test. Yes.
Yes.
These are the glossary of some words. Long odds means little chance. Nail the deadline. Okay. Other word,
Yes.
it you will meet a deadline. Demeanor. When you say demeanor means behavior and looks. So or weeded out. This means to eliminate. Okay. And guinea pig means person used for a test.
Okay.
Okay. So now let's proceed to the next page. So this time, what do the following numbers refer to in the text? Oh, like for example, 124 weeks, the time available for recruiting new staff. Okay, how about 2,740? What is this all about? 2,740. Okay, let's go back to the text. Let's find the numbers. 2,000. Okay, where is 2,000? What is
I
that
didn't.
for? Mm-hmm.
I didn't see anything. Yes. Yes.
2,700.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
E. 740 interviewer. Connected. Connected. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, it's 2,000. 2,000.
Yeah.
740. Sorry.
740. Yes.
Okay. Number 3, 20%. What is 20% in the text?
20%.
Yes, this is this letter F.
Yeah. 20% week hours. which
Yes.
out about 20% of the applicants.
Yes. Eliminate. They are 20% of the applicants eliminate, right?
Eliminates.
Or yes, or weed
Eliminates.
it out. Yes. Okay, another numbers. 30 minutes. What is 30 minutes in the text? Do you remember what is 30 minutes in the text? They give 30 minutes interview every applicants, right?
Yes, each
Yes.
applicant.
Yes. They will
Interview, the time interviews
yes.
each applicant. Yes.
Yes. Okay, the 8%. Do you remember what is the 8% in the texts? On the text?
I didn't remember
Okay,
exactly.
let's find 8%.
8%.
Yes. Where is 8%? Click here? No.
Yeah, let's see. Let's try.
See? Is there any eight? No, there's no 8% here.
Yeah, as C, we related about 8%.
Uh-huh.
We
Oh, I
related
didn't.
about 8% of our candidates.
Ah, okay.
Yes,
Rejected about
8%.
8%. Yes. So
About
it's not a
related.
symbol.
Yes,
I can't find
related.
because it's a word. Okay. Next is the 1.9 million. What is this? $1.9 million.
Well, is B. Yeah, steps Benaruso. Benaruso.
We
Yes,
save Bellagio $1.9 million.
yeah,
Most HR people are afraid to let go their hire and fire authority. But if you really want to sit at the big table, you've got to start thinking strategically and globally. Mm.
yes,
So 1.9 million
yeah.
Bellagio. Okay. So let's proceed to the next page. Okay, let's answer these questions. So question number 1. Can you read? What do you think of the recruitment methods used at the Bellagio? Is it the traditional, the case interview, or the behavioral interview? Remember the audio we've listened last time? Kinds of interview?
I think that's it is very good. So
Is it
yes,
traditional? Traditional?
traditional yes interview.
Yes. It's traditional, right?
Yes.
Yes, the common way of interviewing applicants. So would you like to be recruited in this way if you are the applicants or the applicant?
Yes, I agree. I think that's I like to be recruited in this way.
Yes, of course. So what
Yes.
information do you usually include in your CV if you are the applicant?
Mm, I think that's I wish full information about me.
Mm-hmm.
Example, yes, introduce myself and exploration in 5 years ago. Yes,
Yes.
and
Your qualifications,
yes,
experience,
qualification. Yes,
experience, and your
yes,
achievements, right?
yeah. Okay.
Yes, and skills also. If you have your special skills, if you are your achievements, like for example,
Yes.
certificates, so you can include that on your CV. Oh,
Okay.
CV. Okay, so if you are an HR staff, so what criteria do you use to choose the most suitable CVs? Okay, so in this situation, if you are an HR staff, what criteria do you use?
Um. I think just before interview meeting,
Mm-hmm.
I give some
Mm.
standards uh, mm,
Like for
yeah,
example, do
de-
you
de-
like
de- depend on
position?
position
Yes.
depend on position we would have to recommend. Yes.
Yes.
And yes, we write down, yeah, uh, exploration and qualification
Qualifications.
as
Yes.
exploration. Yes, and when you receives CV,
Mm-hmm.
receives CV, when we could to check fast some information and to I think just check fast information relatives CV, and
Okay.
maybe yes could use stick, yeah, on suitable,
Okay.
yes, not suitable, yes, maybe you leave out, yes.
Mhm. Okay, so what do you prefer? The applicants has an experience, or it's okay for you that applicants no experience?
Yes, I prepare.
Uh-huh.
Yes, some information is CV, and which my our yes
Mm-hmm.
we want yes some operation and qualification. Yes,
Yes.
with this position, and
Okay.
after we check fast faster and faster. Yes,
Mhm.
CV and could prepare. Yes,
Yes,
and
for the interview.
okay. After yes, I filter. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
After I
Yes.
filter CV. Yes. I reduce some CV as I need to interview.
Okay.
So yes,
So what
I do.
steps? Okay. So what steps in the recruitment process do you consider to change, and why? What steps in a recruitment process on this text that you want do you consider to change?
That's procurement process.
Yes.
But
Do you want
I think
do
just
you do you like the process of this kind of interview? Hmm. For example, if a manager wanted to hire you, he would click on conduct background check. Information officials would you receive application online and check your employment and education history. So we rejected about 8% of our candidates at this stage of for various reasons such as lying on their applications. So if you pass this and drug test, the manager will then make the final decision. So how about this process? Do you agree this process, or do you have something to change if you are the HR manager? Yes.
I think just I should don't leave this step.
When you appoint somebody, you create three files: a personal file, a personal file, an Equal Employment Opportunity Commission file, and a medical file. Is it the right way? You have to create three files: personal, um, Equal Employment Opportunity file, and medical file. So, like for example, why not have an electronic personal file?
Yes, I think that's don't use an
Yes,
electronic
not
personnel files.
applicable, right? Not
Yeah,
applicable. Yes.
yeah.
So in the process, we could eliminate the files that managers usually keep at their desks. So we developed one and transmitted everything from the application's database to the new hire database. So using the same technology for all our personnel and payroll forms meant that we no longer had to collect, input, and file thousands of paper forms. Yes, you don't need to file papers in your office. All you have to do is to save the files in database, right?
Yes.
Yes. So is it good for you, this kind of interview, or anything you want to change if you are the manager or the HR? Hmm.
I think that's I can pass. So don't leave a step.
Hmm. So do you agree?
Yes, I agree. I
Okay.
keep yes information. Yes.
Okay. So next came the interviews. Okay. So next. Okay, so the two lists below show the Bellagio recruitment process from the viewpoint of the applicants and the HR team. So complete the lists with one of the following words. So these are the hints words: deadline, identity. So can you read? Number one, applicants and the HR team. Okay, you can choose the right word for these phrases. Oh, sorry. Set up on what?
Appointment.
Yes, set up an appointment. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, next.
Have staff confirm.
Set up an appointment. Have staff confirm what? Staff confirm what? The
Test.
blank of the
Test.
applicants.
Have staff confirm. Yeah. Test.
Hmm. No. Their personal what? Have staff confirm their personal what of the applicants? Their, okay. So number two, I will help you. Identity, right? Have confirm their identity.
Yeah. Yes. Confirm
Yes.
identity. Yes.
So have staff. Okay, next, number three.
Enter dates on
Okay, next. Enter date on where you can find terminal in the
Shumzit and get
in
to
the what system? Mhm. In the
system terminal.
no, enter date on where you have to enter the date in a
Check out.
computer, right? You have to enter that on the computer.
Yes.
Computer terminal.
Computer terminal. Yes.
Yes,
It's
it's
on a
the
computer. Yeah.
computer terminal. Okay, next.
Completes the files.
Complete the,
File.
no, complete another one. Can you find another word?
Um,
Complete the
test.
deadline, train, appointment, computer, application, check
Completes
out.
test. Test.
Okay, so complete the application, right? You have to complete
One.
the application. Yes. So if you are
Application.
the applicant,
Yes.
maybe some of the HR will give you application letter, application form,
Okay.
and you have to
Application.
complete.
Completes
Yes.
the application. Yes.
Yes, application. Complete the application. Mhm. Okay, next.
Process. Press
Proceed.
to.
Proceed to where? After you complete the application, where you need to go? Proceed to where?
Is to. Press to change.
Proceed to what?
Press to change.
Oh no. Train is you have to practice the applicant, right? Train. It's not the right word. Okay. Can you find another one? Proceed to
To press to interview.
check out desk.
No.
Check out desk.
Check
Okay.
out.
Yes, proceed. You have to proceed to the checkout desk.
To check out. Check
They will
out.
check your application, right?
Yes.
Yes, or checkout table, checkout desks. So proceed to
Check out.
check out. Yes, they have to check out your application form desk. Okay, next.
Attend at interview.
Attend an interview. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, next.
7. Take a drug.
Take a drug. What? Before the manager will hire you, they will take a drug. What? Drug test, drug screen, drug what?
Drugs. Drugs. Take a drugs. A drug test.
Yes, drug
Yes.
tests.
Test.
You
A
will,
drug test.
yes, drug tests. Okay, next. Okay, so this time we will proceed to the HR team. Okay, so the HR team will fix to complete each phase. Oh, what they will give you to complete each phase? Completes the requirements. They will give you what? If like for example, if you are hired, then they will give you some requirements. Okay, then they will say, oh, you will go back on this date.
It's a fry. Fries.
Fix to complete each phase.
Um. Fix
Fix
a system.
mhm, a deadline, right? They will give you a deadline to complete each
Yeah.
phase. Yes,
That
deadline.
as yes.
Fix a deadline. Yes, okay. Next, design a computer. What?
A computer fries.
Okay. No,
Design a computer.
it's not file. Computer what? What is computer? That is a design a computer. We read this from the text. Design a computer
Một cái
system. right?
A
Com
a computer backgrounds. A
mm,
computer backgrounds.
no, it's a computer system. Do you remember this? You read this from the
Yes,
text. Yes,
besides a
computer
computer system.
system. Okay. So number 3, blank all applicants. Is it you have to screen, you have to train, you have to test?
Test on application.
Mm-hmm. All applications. You have to screen all the applications. Yes.
Screens. Yes.
Yes, you have to screen. If you are the staff of, from the HR, you have to screen the applications before you will give you will set an interview, right? Yes, you have to the
Yes.
applications. Yes.
Before start an interview. Yes.
Yes. The
HR has a screens on application. Yeah.
yes. The applicants will complete the application. They will proceed to the desk screen checkout desk, and if you are the staff or the checkout desk, you have to screen all the applications, right?
Yes.
Yes, you have to screen. Okay, next.
For
Blank hiring managers.
conduct conduct hiring managers.
No. Before as an HR team, you have to your hiring manager should be well trained, right? Train. You have to train hiring manager first before you conduct the before you put him or her as an HR manager. The HR
Yes.
manager
Chain
should yes,
chain hiring.
yes. You have to train first, right? Because
Yes,
uh,
I think that's chain hiring managers.
yes, train. You have to train the hiring managers because it's very important. You can so that they will cannot accept the wrong people, the wrong person, hire the wrong applicants. Okay, number 5, blank interviews with candidates.
Interview.
Mhm. So we are done. We are done train. We are done identity, check out, tests, screen. We are done system. We are done interview, computer, application, backgrounds. What else? Oh no, we don't have yet backgrounds. So number 5, blank interviews with candidates.
Interview is candidates from one file interviews, chain interview. Hmm.
And these words, I will give
Yes.
you hints. Can you choose these 3 words? What's the right word here? These 3 words: appointment, conduct, system.
I think it's a system interviews with candidates.
Mhm. You have to conduct interview, right? Do you know the word conduct?
Conduct.
Yes, you have to conduct interview with candidates. After the screening of the applications, you have to conduct interviews, right? Do.
Yes.
You have to do interviews with candidates. Conduct. Okay? Yes. So conduct interview. Train. Uh, Conduct interviews. Okay, next.
Check candidates backgrounds.
Check candidates' backgrounds.
Backgrounds.
Yes.
Yes.
Check. Okay. Next.
Cruise personnel. Cruise personnel files.
Yes. The last one is files.
Yes.
Okay, good. Conduct. Oh, backgrounds. Sorry. Backgrounds are. Okay. And check candidates. Create personnel
Files.
files.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. So these are some recruitment process. So first is set an appointment, have staff confirm their identity. Then you have to enter date on a computer terminal, complete the application. If you are the applicant, proceed to the checkout desk. You have to attend an interview, and then they will take a drug test. So for the HR, if you are the HR team, you have to fix a deadline to complete each phase. And then you have to design a computer system. Then screen all the applications, train hiring manager, conduct interviews, check candidates' backgrounds, and create personnel files. So how about in your company, Mr. Kong? Do you have the HR department in your
Yes,
company?
in companies, there is a HR department,
Yes.
human resource division.
Yes, Human Resources Division.
Yes.
Okay.
So I think that division is a very big. Yeah. And yes. Under leader of the division, yes, there are some department.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Example, yes. And the, there's a lot of department, yes, department function. Yeah.
Yes.
Example, yes, a department.
Financial. Financial department.
So, example, yes, a department, yes, recruitment, and
Recruitment.
yes, a department to perform um, check and pay salary,
Mm.
and yes, and one department, yes, to solve some policy, relatives, yes, human resource policy.
Yes.
Yes. So I think that's I remember that there are a lot of department under the
Yes.
division.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. In a company, there's a lot of department. But in private business,
Yes.
like
And because my company is a very big company, yeah,
yes.
we had over 8,000
Oh wow.
employees.
Yes,
Yes.
because you have a lot of branches all over Vietnam, right? 300? 300
I
branches?
yes, over 300. France is in 45 province.
Yes. Wow. 45.
Yeah.
You have 45 provinces. Wow.
Yes.
Okay. So can we proceed the next page? Read these definitions of words from the text. Write the word in the appropriate column and complete the other two columns. Oh,
That's of someone skill.
yes. Like for
That's
example,
some
make a formal request. When you make a formal request, that is, it's a
applies
verb.
application applicant. Yeah.
Yes. When you say verb, it's apply, applying. Okay, noun, application, person, applicant. Okay. Number two, tests of someone's skills. What is this?
Test kỹ năng của một số người
Mhm.
kiểm tra kỹ năng của một số người kiểm cái gì nhỉ?
Ask a candidate questions.
Ask. No,
Mhm.
I don't think it's just mm, apply this ask
Ask.
ask
Mhm.
maybe
Ask.
ask
Ask.
I ask
Okay. And then, what is the noun of this word?
now now
Test someone's skills. You have to evaluate, right? How do you evaluate?
evaluate
Mhm.
when you
Yes.
evaluate
Yes.
yes
Okay. What is the, what do you call the person who evaluate, who do evaluation? So this will be um evaluate, evaluation, and the person is, what do you
evaluate
call,
evaluate
evaluator, evaluator, right?
yes evaluator yeah
Yes,
evaluate
evaluate,
yes
evaluate,
yeah
evaluation, and the person is the evaluator.
yes
Okay, next, ask a
evaluator
candidate questions. If you ask a candidate questions, what do you call that? If you will ask some questions, you will.
I'm sorry.
Mhm. Okay, if you are the HR, you want to ask candidates questions, different questions. What do you call that? You are,
Interview.
yes,
Yeah,
you are interviewing the
interview. Yes,
candidates. Yes. So the word is interview.
interview.
Yes. What is
Uh,
the noun?
now, interviewment.
Mhm.
Interviewment.
Interviewment. Is there any
Oh,
word?
in
So interviewment.
yeah,
Mhm. And what is the person?
interviewer.
Mhm. Interviewer. Okay.
Interviewer. Interviewer.
No word. which is interviewment, right? There is no interviewing, right?
Ah,
Yes.
yes, interviewing.
Okay,
Interviews.
interviewing. Okay, and the person is interviewer. Okay.
Interviewer. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Interview, interviewing, interviewer.
Yes.
Mhm. So next, make a plan for something that will be built. Mhm. You will make a plan.
Like, plan something. Plan.
Yes.
Plan. Now
Yes.
planning.
No. What do you call the another word of plan? Is what? You have to arrange.
Orange.
Yes. Like for example, you will arrange a meeting.
Orange.
Yes,
Yes.
arrange. Okay. Arrange for a meeting. You have to plan for a meeting. Arrange for a project. So you have to make a plan. Okay. How? What are the words? Arrange,
Arrangement.
arrangement,
Yes.
and
Now. Uh, and
what is the person? What do you call the person?
orange.
Arrange?
Orange.
Yes, arranger.
Orange.
Yes,
Orange.
yes. Okay.
Yes.
So how about evaluate? Okay. How to evaluate?
Evaluation.
Another term of evaluate. Evaluate.
Evaluation. Evaluation.
So what is the another term of evaluate? When you evaluate a person, you are what? You test, right? What is the another term or the synonyms of evaluate? If you are evaluating a person, you are what? Okay. Evaluate. Or you have to assist. Mhm. Are some synonyms of the word evaluate. Oh.